Alright guys, here it is mounted.
Mostly clear. Lows in the upper 50s. Southeast winds 15 to 25 miles per hour. Gusts up to 35 miles per hour in the evening.
And we got power to it. I got it running down along the back of the seat and up into the box. Still got some taping to do. And then if I gotta ditch it, and I can unplug it here and here and go inside the box and unscrew it and pull it out. And it's got a rubber grommet in there to keep it from getting chafed against the metal. And I'm waiting on the goat, so I'm having to use the dog bone again. Okay.